Hey everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how I do my super easy beach look. So all you're gonna need is face sunscreen. I actually really like Raw Elements. Anytime I'm planning on going in the ocean, I like to use sunscreen that's Reef safe, but this one's all natural, so I like that. And it has a tint to it, so that's key. And then this little CoverFX guy is amazing. This is what I use to give me that glow. And then we're gonna use a waterproof mascara, eyelash curlers, lip balm, and a lipstick. And then I'll show you what I'm gonna do with my hair in a second. So first things first, we're gonna take this tinted sunscreen. I take like a good amount. I like my face to be pretty protected. Don't forget your neck. Just defy gravity. And then the excess I'll put on my chest and the back of my hands. Next, just for the glow, which is my favorite part. I'm gonna just kind of rub this in. I like to go under my eyes, just because that way it kind of hides any dark circles. A little bit of glow, tiny bit on your forehead. Get that Cupid's bow. Right there. Rub it in good. Make sure you don't have any spots. Excess on the chest. Up the neck. And then I always kind of give a little sweep to my brows. I do have them microbladed, but I don't fill them in when I'm going to the beach because they already look great. Next, we're gonna curl those lashes. So I'm gonna do that real quick. And then a little bit of mascara. And with the mascara, I like to go like really light, just because this is like, I mean, you're just going to the beach, so you just want to kind of look awake, but you don't want you to like get like too glam, you know? There we go. The last part for the face, I like to take a little bit of lipstick, dab it towards the inside, and then on top. So this color is Siesta by Tarte. And then this is my favorite chapstick. This is actually, it's like lip balm, and it's Rosebud Salve band. So then I just do a tiny bit, boop, and then dab that on. Voila, face is done, ready for the beach. So hair, here's a little tip that's actually something I've done since I was a hairstylist. You're gonna take slightly damp hair. It can be towel dried. You can actually do it dry if you want to, but damp works the best. My favorite brand to use when doing this trick is Pantene. Pantene has this molecule in it. It's actually like a water blocker, but any conditioner will do. So today I'm using Kerastase Masquintense. You wanna take just like that much. And what you're gonna do is you're going to emulsify. And you're gonna put it in your ends. So what this is gonna do is actually create a barrier between the water and your hair. So you won't have split ends and your hair color will stay fresh longer. I like to kind of throw my hair into like loose braids, because when you're playing in the water, your hair can just get so ratty and gross. So you just want to kind of protect it. Yeah, and you're on vacation, so cute little braids are a go. And then I like to use these tiny little like black rubber elastic bands instead of like a cloth band, just because those tend to pull your hair out, and then these are soft. And if for whatever reason you can't get your hair out, you could always just cut them. And again, these braids don't have to be perfect because, like I said, you're just gonna go play in the ocean. But if you're out here trying to look cute for your man, or you need to catch a man. And then if you do want like, oh, I didn't put enough on, or it doesn't feel like you put enough on, you want some added protection, do just a little bit right on the ends. There we go. I like to pull my little baby hairs down, just cause the little floof. There we go. Kind of poof them, and you're ready for the beach. Let's go. And then you can finish the whole look off with a little flower in your hair. Aloha from Hawaii. I hope you enjoyed my beach look. Please like and subscribe. Bye.